Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Hope you're having a great day today. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the very beautiful hymn, Precious Lord, Take My Hand, written by Thomas Dorsey, and I think the song was published around 1938. Easy song to learn. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar Tabs that you can download the lyrics and chord chart to this song. Print that out and follow along as we learn this song together. So let's get started. Precious Lord, take my hand, lead me on, let me stand. I am tired, I am weak, I am worn. Through the storm, through the night, lead me on to the light. Take my hand, precious Lord, lead me home. Okay, very beautiful hymn to learn. Precious Lord, take my hand. That was the example of the chorus. I'm playing this song in the key of G major. So the chords we'll be using are G major, G7, C major, E minor, D major, and D7. Okay, these are all the chords that I'll be using. Okay, I'll take a few minutes just to show you how to play each chord in case you don't know how to play these. G major is played by placing finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on string number 6 of the 3rd fret, and then your 4th finger or your little finger is on the very bottom E string on the 3rd fret. Strum all strings. It's G major. Okay, to play G7, you want to place finger number 1 on the very 1st string of the 1st fret, and then stretch your 2nd finger to the 5th string of the 2nd fret and your 3rd finger to the 6th string of the 3rd fret. Strum all strings. This will be G7. Okay, G7 is used to transition into C major. Okay, to play C major, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, skip a string, place finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then stretch your 3rd finger to string number 5 of the 3rd fret. Strum all strings except for this top E string. C major. Okay, to play E minor, you place finger number 2 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings. E minor. Okay, to play D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very 1st bottom E string of the 2nd fret, and then place finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. Okay, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. D major. Okay, to play D7, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 1st string of the 2nd fret. Okay, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. This is D7. Okay, so you're going from D major to D7, and that's usually played when you're going back into like a G major, which is what the key the song is in. Okay, so the time signature on this song is 3/4 time, so there's 3 beats per measure. Okay, most songs are 4 beats per measure or 4/4 time. So this song is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, precious 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the strumming pattern I'm using is just a simple down up. okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3, okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. Okay, let's look at the chord progression of the verse, and all the verses and the choruses have the exact same chord progression. So you're going to be playing them in the same manner, okay? So we'll look at the first verse. When my way grows drear, precious Lord, linger near. When my life is almost gone, hear my cry, hear my call, hold my hand lest I fall. Take my hand, precious Lord, lead me home. Okay? Okay, let's play through that, and I'll just kind of talk through the chords again. Okay? When my G major, G7, C major, G major, E minor, D, D7, G major, G7, C major, G major, D7, G, C, G. So let's look at the chorus. It's the same chord progression. Okay. Precious Lord, take my hand, lead me on, let me stand. I am tired, E minor, I am weak, D, I am worn, D7, G major, G7, hold on to that, G major, D7, G major. Then you can go right back into the second verse, and it's got, you know, a couple of verses on there. So let's look at the second verse. When the darkness appears, okay? When the darkness appears and the night draws near and the day is past and gone, at the river I stand, guide my feet, hold my hand, take my hand, precious Lord, lead me home. Okay, then it just goes right into the chorus again. Precious Lord, take my hand, C major, G major, E minor, D, D7, G major, G7, C, hold on to that, G, D7, G, C, G. Okay, very good, very easy song to learn. If you enjoyed this lesson and would like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button. I would appreciate that feedback very much. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel and your subscription so I can easily be found. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. I appreciate you viewing today. I hope you have a great day. God bless you.